if you're looking for a protective style that will last long, try Brazilian wool. I've had this hair for a while now, and I must say it's still looking nice and well put together. If I tell you I've not oiled this hair in a while, believe me, I haven't oiled it in a while. But look at how it is looking. It's still looking okay. Now the hair you see coming out is my hair, and I don't want to trim it because I'll just lose out on my length. But all in all, can you guys see how lush this is? And you can even see the visible growth. I intentionally told her to start braiding with my hair. So whenever you want to do hairstyles like this to prevent tension on your hair, try braiding with your hair, then you can start adding the extensions and moving on. Can you see that there are visible growths already? So regardless of the protective style you do, your hair is growing. That's what I said in one of my videos that I just posted. So keep taking care of your hair, keep doing hairstyles that will help you. The reason why I did this is because I want to leave it for long term. But if I want like a short term protective style, mini twist, mini braids, cornrows are like my go-to, right? I'm even thinking of infusing African thread. Possibly after this one, I would like to do like African threading to, you know, stretch out my hair. It's been a while I actually stretched out my hair, and I don't like using heat often. I don't even like using heat. It's only on rare occasions that, you know, I just have to make my hair a little bit straightened. That's when I use heat. It's faster, you get me? But nonetheless, I'm thinking of tilting towards African thread in my next protective style. So if you're thinking of a style to do, you can just do your Brazilian wool. It's lightweight, especially if you do, you know, this kind of size or a little bit smaller than this. But if you do like the bulky ones, it might be heavy for you, I don't know. But I told my hairstylist that I don't want anything that will be too bulky for me, and you know, she reduced the size to this. So yeah, this is what I'm rocking right now. And for those of you that want to apply your rosemary oil, if you've watched the tutorial and you've done your rosemary oil right, just follow the lines. As you can see, this is the pattern, right? You follow it, apply your growth oil, you turn to the next, you apply your growth oil, you turn to the next, apply your growth oil. Just follow the lines, because this is basically your scalp you're seeing right here. So don't be scared of, oh, if I do this kind of protective style, I'll not be able to apply my hair growth oil or my hair mist. Just focus on your scalp. That's all I can tell you. Because while I was on Brazilian wool at some point, I was actually still using my rosemary and cloves water and my rosemary and cloves oil for growth. And let me tell you, I saw massive growth. So like I said, it is what you do during the protective style that also matters, and your hair is growing regardless of the protective style. If you do cornrows, your hair is growing. If you do mini twist, your hair is growing. If you do chunky twist, your hair is still growing. So just, you know, put all of this in mind, put everything in cognizance, and it will work for you. So yeah, if you're thinking of the next hairstyle, you can consider this. Don't say I do not do anything for you, right? I remain your favorite hair coach. If you need my ebook on hair growth, everything about hair growth, click the link in the description box. I'll see you in my next, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye guys.
You can bank on it, you can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.